Want to know how to create a presentation in Microsoft 365 automatically? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your m365.cloud.microsoft and you should be right here under this interface. And on the left side, make sure you want to create under the navigation or the menu. So once you have clicked that, here on the main interface, you should be seeing more right beside edit and image. So now once you have clicked more, here you should be seeing various options that you can choose from that you can create with Copilot, which is a presentation, workbook, document, and once more. Now since we are creating a presentation, you can just simply select right here. Now right here you should be seeing start with templates, which could be anything. So as you can see, loads of templates should be loaded up for you. You can just simply select any one of these. So now you should retrieve your template and direct you directly to PowerPoint. Now once that is done, it should give you a detail and maybe some prompts that you can just simply keep on to. And as you can see right here, it should automatically create you a proper presentation with a proper template. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.